जी बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज। I am JVM, Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In the series of digital sessions, today my lecture is on rule of thoughts, and it comes under your practical session in demonstration of chart. So first of all, what is hypertension? Hypertension is raised blood pressure. Raised blood pressure, and this is a table which shows from optimal blood pressure to the up to the isolated systolic hypertension. And the optimal blood pressure systolic is less than 120, systolic and diastolic is less than 80. Normal blood pressure comes in the range of 120 to 121 millimeter of mercury, and diastolic is 80 to 84 millimeter of mercury. High blood pressure is 130 to 139, and diastolic is 85 to 89. So these are the range of optimal, normal, and high normal. Now comes the range of grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 hypertension. In grade 1 hypertension, the systolic blood pressure will raise up to 140 to 159 millimeter of mercury, and diastolic is 90 to 99 millimeter of mercury. And grade 2, it is 160 179, diastolic 100 to 109. And grade 3 hypertension, which is a severe form of hypertension, it is more than 180 systolic and more than 180 diastolic. And isolated systolic hypertension, where only systolic blood pressure is high, but diastolic is within normal range. And systolic high blood pressure is more than 140 millimeter of mercury. So systolic blood pressure indicates the cardiac output, and the diastolic blood pressure indicates the peripheral resistance of created by the arteries. Hypertension is a silent, invisible killer that rarely causes symptoms. Or we can say that hypertension is a classical example of iceberg phenomenon of disease. Means iceberg, the tip of the icebergs shows the symptomatic cases of any disease, and the surface portions indicates the asymptomatic cases, the latent cases of a disease. So in a society, many more persons who have hypertension, but in these patients there are no any clinical signs and symptoms by which we can identify that that patient is having high blood pressure. So hypertension is a iceberg phenomenon disease, because most of the persons having hypertension are unknown to the community. And the complications of hypertension account for 9.4 million deaths worldwide every year, and it is responsible for at least 45% of the death due to heart disease and 51% of deaths due to stroke. So you can see how much hypertension has very epidemiological importance in the community. Increasing public awareness is the key to early detections for hypertension. The rule of halves for hypertension states that half the people with high blood pressure are not known. This is rule 1. In rule 2, half of those who are known blood pressure but are not treated. And there is half of those who are treated but are not controlled. So this is a picture of rule of halves in the scenario of hypertension. It is a picture showing the rule of halves. The outer circle indicates the whole community, and the next circle indicates hypertensive subjects. Again, the red color, it's diagnosed hypertension, and the persons who are diagnosed with hypertension are not treated, and who are treated is very less adequately treated. So this shows the rule of halves. So here it is the which shows the pictures of rule of halves. The first one is the whole community. The second one is the normotensive subjects. The third one is hypertensive. देन हाइपरटेंसिव सब्जेक्ट्स जो होता है उनमें से भी बहुत सारे होते हैं, बट उनमें से भी बहुत से लोग जो होते हैं अनडायग्नोज होते हैं, और बहुत कम जो होते हैं वो हाफ वो डायग्नोज होते हैं. डायग्नोज है वो भी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं लेते हैं, और जो कुछ लेते हैं वो कुछ जो डायग्नोज है वो बहुत कम होते हैं वो जो ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं, और जो ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं उनमें से भी जो हाफ होते हैं वो इनएडिक्वेटली ट्रीटेड होते हैं, और उनके भी जो फर्दर हाफ है वो एडिक्वेटली ट्रीटेड होते हैं. सो दीज आर द 9 पॉइंट्स व्हिच शोस हाउ मच hypertensive are seen. Hypertensive patients are seen in the community, means the whole community. Many of the people having blood pressure, raised blood pressure, but most of them are not diagnosed. And if they are diagnosed, they are not treated well. And if they are treated well, but they are not adequately treated. This is the picture again showing, and this is a chart showing rule of halves in hypertension. Total hypertensive patients population, when 50% are aware of having hypertension, and 50% of them are diagnosed, and the diagnosed 50% cases are 50% treated, and those 50% treated cases are 50% adequately treated. Here, examples showing rule of halves in a population. Suppose total employees, it's 1493 means 100%. This outer circle green, and the total hypertensive patients, half of them are almost half of them, means 455 employees are hypertensive. This is the red circle. Then those means the 455 persons having hypertension are they knows about their disease. That is almost less than half. It is 13.2%. And then who are taking treatment regularly are only 139. It means 9.3. And employees having controlled hypertension, it is only 4.7%. So in these pictures you can see the scenario of rule of halves, that in 1493 employees, only 71 employees are under control of their hypertension. And this is again a picture showing in percentage, and let's say clinical studies, which shows that if there is 1000 people, then normotensive are 663, hypertensive subjects are 367. मीन्स जो 1000 लोग थे उनमें से भी आधे से भी कम लोग हाइपरटेंसिव थे. फिर उसके बाद में उसके भी जो उनमें डायग्नोज केसेस थे 240, डायग्नोज केसेस आर ओनली 127, डायग्नोज्ड बट अनट्रीटेड 40, diagnosed and treated 87, and inadequately treated 66, and adequately treated is 24. So out of 1000 population, only 21 persons are adequately treated. Thank you so much. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital sessions. And if there is any query, please mention in the comment box. And this section is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.